Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix the Scrcpy application crashing. So firstly, Scrcpy needs ADB, which is Android Debug Bridge, to talk to your phone. If it's missing or broken, Scrcpy won't start. On Windows, ensure you've got the latest Scrcpy from GitHub extracted to your folder on your computer anywhere you want. Then connect to your phone via USB. And guys, very important thing, you need to enable USB debugging in your phone. This is going to be in developer options. No phone, it'll still crash. Okay guys, double clicking on scrcpy.exe and it flashes off. We'll open the command prompt instead and search cmd in Windows. Then right click, pick run as administrator, and in the folder where you have your Scrcpy application, the files themselves, you need to type in cd c, which is the drive, and then Scrcpy, or wherever your folder is, hit enter, then type Scrcpy and enter again. If you see an error, if it says ADB not found, download the ADB tools from Google's site. So let's do that. So ADB tools, download. So as you can see, it's going to be the SDK platform tools release notes. You download it from here. Right, so as you can see, download SDK platform tools for Windows, so download this and install to your computer. Let us continue with the video. So you can extract them with Scrcpy and retry. If the phone is not detected, check your cable. It must support data, not just charging. This is very important, guys. There are two types of cables. The data cable that can actually transfer your files from your phone and back to your computer. Basically, it's in a exchange of both. So you have to pick the better cable, because if you just have a charging cable, it will never work. So keep that in mind, that's very important. And this should fix it, guys, and ready to mirror your phone screen on your PC, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Smash that like, subscribe to our channel for more stuff like this, and enjoy.